Introducing the new user interface of DATVIZ AI. Start by uploading your CSV file or using our sample dataset. You will see a complete data summary with key insights and descriptive statistics. Next, we display a bar chart showing the top 5 campaigns by profit. Click the chart generation button on the sidebar or press in on your keyboard to quickly create another visualization. A line chart visualizes revenue trends over time, helping you spot patterns, growth, and changes across your data. You can also analyze relationships between numerical variables using a correlation matrix to identify significant patterns in your dataset. A scatter plot with a regression line highlights correlations between unit price and revenue. For categorical analysis, a contingency matrix reveals associations between product and channel categories. This geomap highlights the top 10 highest revenue locations. Customize point shapes, map styles, opacity, and colors to enhance geographic visualization. From charts to insights, make every decision backed by data. So, try DATVIZ AI for free.